Hi everyone, welcome back to True Monday. Thank you all for your support. Thanks and all my old and new subscribers. Thank you all for your love and support and your comments. This is an update on the kitchen. When I came back, I saw a mark in the kitchen cabinet, one of the cabinets. I started opening them and it was more than one. Excuse me. So through my investigation, I found out there was a leakage in the bathroom, one of the bathrooms, and the tiler, the plumber has mistakenly put one of the pipes at the wrong place, which was the cause of all this. So we have to remove all the cabinets and then retie all the kitchens and then start all over again, which is very costly. But like I keep saying, it's Africa, everything is small. They will tell you this is just a small thing, just because it's not them paying it or bearing the cost. So their small mistake will be costly to someone. So yeah, this is where we end up. We have to replace everything and start again. So thanks. I hope this will help someone to pay more attention to what the workers are doing. If you are there, it's better. Even if you are not there, whoever is taking care of the place, please remind them constantly to pay more attention, so you will not end up like this. Look at the wall, the water marks. I hope it will dry. We try to change some later, as you will see. It's getting better than it was, but it will take time. Anyway, thanks a lot. Stay blessed as always. Thank God I'm here to solve this problem. If I did not come the time I came, see? Here. So we need to repaint it, move everything and repaint it. So learn from my no mistake, as I always say. Try as much as you can to visit, so you will not end up like me. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all well. Just quick update on the kitchen work. Yes, it's all done now. All has been replaced again. Yeah, it has been done now. Like I said, it's double cost, but thank God I came at the right time. It's done. We'll get there soon. I hope you are all well. Thank you for all your support. This is a storeroom, a small storeroom. We have two, one upstairs, one downstairs. So, yeah, it's done. And the bathroom has been done as well. So we are now waiting to clean up. And then it's done. Someone is coming to fix this bed now. They just brought the things. It's a brand new bed, Africa, everything is small thing. Yep, the tap there and here, that was the cause of the dump in the kitchen. That has cost us a lot. It has been replaced. And the wall, I think, is drying, but it might take longer than I thought. I think at least At least it's on its way. I just need to start cleaning up. I don't have time. The bed. Yeah, those are the. I'll be like for the mosquito net. So just a quick update. Just a quick update. The kitchen is done.